What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK and welcome back to another military lot walk around, and boy, this one is gonna be busy. You can see the green monster sitting there in all of her glory, sitting right next to the first car we're gonna look at today, an older Challenger. Now, you'd be surprised looking at these two cars. You're like, wow, they really haven't changed that much. And to be honest, they really haven't. I even think the body panels are swappable and stuff. I think one of the major changes for this car are basically just the inserts, like the headlights itself, the grille, you know, all that stuff. But I think you can put a front end from one of these on one of those, and taillights and the like. So anyways, this has got the 6.4 Scat Pack. This is mine. This one is the SRT that came with the 6.1 Hemi back in the day. It's orange, which if I had a white car right here in the middle with like a 4-leaf clover on the roof, it would be perfect. Somebody might get that. Now, the graphics on this one are faded on the hood. It is a 2009 Dodge Challenger. They want $20,000 for this car. 20 grand for this one. And it's only, what, 3-piston, 4-piston maybe? They got Brembos. It's nice. You got the SRT seats, which also are nice. You got the older Dodge interior, though. I really wasn't a fan of these, even like when we're doing that police car with Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Like, the steering wheel and stuff kind of makes the car look a little dated, but I'm wondering if you can update that too. But SRT rims, chrome fuel cap, which looks the same, spoiler, which might actually be the exact same spoiler that's on my Scat Pack. And you know, mine is a 2020 or 2021, I'm sorry, and that is a 2009. Now, that one came from the same dealership that mine came from. Now, you can see single tips coming out the rear. I got quad tips. Obviously, mine didn't have quad tips. I put them on. But everything's pretty much the same. Like, look where the signal marker is. The Challenger is, I guess I like to compare it, and I can't really compare it to the Crown Victoria, but it's very similar. Like, the frame, the base of the car, like, do you see the plastics under it right there? Like, right there and right there. Like, these cars are pretty much the same freaking car for the last 12 years. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what year they started doing these Challengers, but like, this is the SRT 8, right? In orange. But outside of like the taillights, which you can see though, the box back there is pretty much the same lines and stuff. You can literally get that insert and put it in here. You can facelift this car to make it look newer. I've seen people do it. So should you do it though? Nah, that's a sucker move. But it looks cool though. I like this. I really like this car. Now, you can see, I don't know if it shows up in video, but you might be able to see like the swirls, the scratch swirls in the paint. And this is why, like, my car looks amazing. Let me give you an example. This is paint over a long period of time, and then if you come over here and look at mine, outside of the like spider webs and stuff that you see on it, my paint still looks amazing because we got it ceramic coated, and it's going to make it have that showroom shine without those swirl scratches that you see here pretty much forever. Anyways, let's keep it moving. 20 grand on that. The price, I don't know, man. Well, I want to say it's too damn high, but we'll have to see. Now, there's the Black Mamba Imposter. We've seen that before the last time we did a military lot walk around, but there's way more vehicles here now. Look at this Tahoe. With, I don't know what's going on with that paint. Did somebody hit this with a DA and really messed up, huh? Oh yeah, they just didn't finish. You got to wipe it off with a look. Somebody tried to wax this up to make it look at the wax right here. Somebody tried to wax this thing up to make it look nice. Look at this line. Oh no, they did. They got, ooh, somebody with a DA got into the paint too far. Ugh. Ugh. So those lines ain't coming out. Ugh. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but ugh. Now, it's an 05 Chevy. What's the mileage? Does it say? 211,000. Now this is before active fuel management, so I'm all about these ones right here. Now this has a 5.3 in it. $4,275 is what they're asking for this truck. That's not actually terrible. It's got a sunroof. You know, it looks fairly nice. It's got decent tires on it. It's got nice little running boards and stuff. I see the seats are covered, which tells me that they're probably just leather seats are probably destroyed. Take a look at the butt. Let's take a look at her ass. It doesn't look bad. I don't know. Oh, there's a dent right here, though. A dent right here on the rear quarter. I don't know, man. It really would depend on... It would depend, man. I don't know. I might have to talk that down some. $4,200. Ugh. Here's a 2015 Nissan Rogue for 10 grand. Not bad. Not bad at all, I say. Alright. Let's keep it moving. We'll get to the Hummer here in a little bit. We're going to walk down this way first, and then we'll come back. Now, this one has a parking violation sticker on it. Did somebody just move it here? Because that doesn't look like it has a for sale thing on it at all. Yeah, somebody just moved this poor Buick over here. They don't realize that they're going to impound it on post too. Okay, look at this Jeep. Now this Jeep has the Rhino lined fenders. Ooh, looks like it's been painted, and the hood and stuff definitely needs to be painted again. Pro Comp Extreme MT2s. I don't know who make tri-ply. Pro Comp, I guess, is the tire company. All right, whatever. I'll rock with it. You got a big electric fan. Amazon fan. This is an Amazon fan. You can buy these. You got an Amazon, electric Amazon fan on the front. Hey, I ain't mad at you, man. 8,500. It's a 1995 Jeep YJ Wrangler. All right, split shaft delete kit on the front axle, chrome alloy shafts on the front axle, e-locker on the front axle, 4.88 gears, new brake pads, 4-inch Rubicon lift kit. New 33 by 12.5 tires and rims, $1,500. Corboro front seats, aftermarket AC, $500. Ford 8.8 rear axle. Ooh, Detroit locker and a radio. 18-gallon fuel tank with heavy-duty skid plate. This thing is ready to go play. They want $8,500 for it. And with all of that work to it, and you can see like the custom fuel tank. See it? See that custom fuel tank down there? So this thing is like a custom build Jeep. This is not like a Jeep, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a custom built Jeep. Nice canvas top and everything. This thing's clean. This is definitely clean. And look, they padlocked. I like this. They were like, what do they call those things? Remember the bar you used to stick in the driver's wheel? They just chained the friggin' steering wheel up. That's hilarious. This Infiniti we have seen before in the past. We looked at this the last time we did a military lot walk around, so we're going to skip that one. If you want to see that one, you can go back and check out the video we did on the last military lot walk around. This one is $17,500 for a Yukon XL. $17,500. What year is it? 2013. They lowered the price from $18,000 to $17,500. Leather seats and all. That's clean. That's clean. Previous generation, or actually now 2 generations back, right? Because the new ones just came out. But this is nice. It's like it's a GMC Suburban, man. I know it's a Yukon XL, but it's a Suburban, you know. So it's clean. $17,500 though. I don't know. It's got 110,000 miles. It's not a lot of miles. Land Rover Discovery, $22,500. They keep coming down on that price. Every time I come out here, they drop it at another $1,000. You can see right here. $24,500, $23,500, $22,500. Oof. Yep. Anybody want to pay 22 grand for a Ford Escape with a Land Rover badge? Have at. 27.5 for a Honda Odyssey, huh? I don't know about that. Not for me. Here's one of these Hondas. I'm not really a fan, but I heard these are the ones that have the motors that you can get replaced. They want $7,500 for this. That's not bad. For a 2015, that's not bad. And we've seen this Ford Escape. Malibu is over here, which is a massive piece of crap. I think this is the exact body style of the one we bought from Copart a year and a half ago. 1.5 liter turbo. Ours was a 2.0. Price $2,100. Y'all are smoking crack. Crack. Would you buy the Challenger or the Malibu if you had the 20 grand? Just keep it a buck. You're not buying that. Oh, I see a squirrel. What's up, buddy? With a Lucky's Wheels and Deals special over here with more paint rock chips on the hood. This thing has been all over the world, huh? They want $1,500 for it, though. Look at that. $1,500 is all they want for that one. That's a deal. You know what? And I bet you I could probably pick this damn thing up for like $1,200. Put in a fresh pair of headlights. Get a cheap sprayed paint job only over the front, because the rest of the paint looks like it's okay. Right? It's got leather seats. This is a flip car right here, guys. This is the rare deal that you can find on a military lot. And this is one of them. The guy, you see, you got Washington State tags. He doesn't want to drive this back. Nobody's going to care about these dings and shit. But if I could get a, I could get a paintless dent guy for maybe a few $100 to try to come through and pull some of that out, and then clean it up, get it cleaned, and then just fix the paint up front. Just have them spray it. Spray the front, replace the headlight lenses. I bet you I could get $2,500, maybe almost $3 grand out of this car. I bet. I'm willing to bet money I could do it. How many miles are on it, though? Doesn't say. See, I'd have to know the mileage. And of course it won't tell you, right? I don't know. I'm going to save this one, though, because this is a good flip car. Money-wise, this is a good flip car. This is a car I could pick up, put a couple $100 into work into it. Like, I'm going to pick this car for like $1,200, maybe $1,100. If I can get it for $11, I'll get it for $11. Put like $600 into it. I had, what, 17 into it. Have it looking all nice and clean. Armor all up the tires, detail it, get it nice and clean. Spray, that includes spraying the front and replacing those lenses in the front with cleaner ones. And I can get $3 grand out of that car all day. Now you're going to say, well, TK, that doesn't make any money, but I'm also going to get the content out of it. I'd film it. I'm going to get paid off of YouTube for it too. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll do that. Here's a Z. What's up with the Z car? It is a 2012 370Z. Only 6,880 miles, and they want $23,500. This thing has not been driven hardly at all. Which could be good and bad, Caravan, We've seen this Mini before. I don't know if we've seen this Lexus before. It's 2.5 V6, 13,700 for an 11. Ooh, I had to say no, dog. And then here's one of these handicap vans, a Neil van. I know that's going to be some money. Y'all going to want some. 17.5 though. That's not bad. Handicap van with ramps. That's actually for a 2011 Toyota van with ramps. That's not bad. I got to be honest. That's not horrible. We've seen this BMW before. It's overpriced. What else? 13 Honda Civic. And they put the Carfax in here. Oh, it's all in the family. So they show multiple owners, but they're like listing daughter, wife, da da da, whatever. Okay. How much do they want for it though? 12,500. No, dog. And then we got an H3. I think we've seen this before, but I'm not sure. And they want 85. Nope, they lowered the price down to 7,900. It's still too much for me. Price is too damn high, if you ask me, for what it is. And it's Cadillac. Y'all want 7 grand. Ha 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 ha. Y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. Another old Civic here. This looks like the one that we have in the backyard that's all burnt up. They want 5,500 on this one. It's got 189,000 miles. Good luck with that. Yeah. 10,500 for that one. And then we got a Ford Explorer over here on some interesting rims. 1,700 bucks. Look at that. This is another flip car, guys. Listen. Look, let me tell you right now. If this thing runs and drives passably, it's already armor-alled with a tie. I'm literally buying this car for cash, taking it off post, taking it home, and immediately putting it on Facebook Marketplace for like $2,500 and just making some quick money. Because look at the rims. The rims are clean. They're not pitted. They look nice, all right? XLT, it's a 1999 Ford Explorer, which I know it's not going to get a lot, but look at the interior. Like, the leather seats are not all tore up. It's clean. Aftermarket radio, nice tint. Somebody would buy this. Somebody would buy this car all friggin' day. I'm willing to bet money I could buy this and flip it. This is another deal. See, now they're PCSing people out to different places, and that's why people don't want to have to tow, or it's going to cost them more money to like transport a car or move it than what they could sell it for. So then they sell the cars cheaper, especially if they own the note. If they own the title, they'll just dump cars. This one's got some pitting on the inside, far in on the rim on that one. But just because it looks the way it does, I bet you I could get my money. I could buy this. I could talk this guy down to 1,500 because he wants 17. Or I try to get him to 13. But try to get it to 1,300 with these rims and tires. With the tires and rims look good. The tires are great, right? And then I'll throw it up there for 3,200 bucks and let somebody try to talk me down to 3 and sell it the way it is. Exactly the way. I wouldn't do a damn thing to it. Man. 2 deals out here today. I need to go to the bank. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's military lot walk around. I know the video is not as long as you guys expected today, and I apologize, but we got stuff going on, things that I got to get done, and it was cool to walk out here and see all the new stuff. Let me know what you guys think and what cars you guys like the most in the comment section down below. But I'm literally going to the bank. I want to pick up that Explorer and that Impala. I could flip both of those and make, like, if I sold both of those cars at a minimum, I'm making 3,500, 4 grand in profit off of those two. And I could do it in like a day. So I got to pick those up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Peace.